Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gaming Geek 84. Today I'm going to present a video about a major issue that all YouTubers face. That is how to increase your watch hours and how to increase your subscriber count so that your YouTube channel can monetize early. And the most important thing is how you can do it in a legal way so that YouTube may not block your content and it may not delete your account. So there are many free services that can help you out, but most of them are fake, as because they do not ask you to do anything for earning those rewards. But in my search, I have come across a website that gives you the rewards, but it makes you work for it. So basically, it makes you work for it, and you are doing reviews and you are doing subscriptions to other channels. At the same time, the other people are doing the subscription and views on your channel. So let me guide you. Let me give you a quick tour on how you can do that. First of all, open up a browser and go to this website. I am putting this link in the description. Okay, you open this website. This is basically a go viral website. What you have to do now is that you simply register from here. Okay, and then you are going to give this website your YouTube channel ID so that it can perform all the work on your channel. Okay, and then you give your email address for login purposes, and then it's the password here again. You can choose any password. Okay, sign up. Okay, all done. So we are here now. So what is the next step? The next step is basically you see over here, this is the front panel and this is the free membership. You do not need to purchase anything, but if you want to spend some money, it's up to you. So I am going to give you this tour is about how you can do everything free. So here is your a record of everything that you do on the website, and this is your membership status. And the most important thing that we need here is this one. Okay, you see over here, this is the coins. Let me give you a brief introduction. In this my video section, when you go over there, since you have okay, I need to verify the email address, so let me get back to you in a moment. So click on the my video section, and since you have already linked your YouTube channel or TikTok channel with this website, it is going to load your video directory over here. So there is a few limitations to free account. You can add only 10 videos and you can work only at 5 videos at a time in the free version, and I think it's more than enough. So what you need to do now is basically you need to import your video, whatever video you like. Okay, this is imported. So now this is the what can I say, control panel, and as you can see over here, minimum viewing time is 45 second and maximum is 90 second for free usership. So you can drag the slider to make it 90. Okay, make it 90, and then you add over here like I need 50 views per hour. Okay, 50 views per hour. The moment I change this value, you see over here, it is asking me to pay 1200 coins for this purpose. So where do we get the coins? Of course, you can purchase them through money, but why spend money when in the start of my video I was talking about doing all of this free. So let me give you the tour on how to earn coins for free. Okay, let's go to the home page, and you can see over here is the earn coin menu. Click on it. Okay, you see a pop-up window appeared. It's basically what is it doing? Basically it's basically so many people like you have registered on this website, and they have posted their videos for reviews and for comments and for subscription. So basically you are watching one of those videos, and as a result you will be given certain number of coins for that. Okay, the watch time for this video will give you 5 coins reward, and these are the additional activities that you can perform on a video. They appear randomly, which is a subscribe, like or comment, and each has different coin rewards for them. Right on the right side you can see basically your bonus targets, and they are repetitive. There is no limit to that. So when you complete the 100 views, you will get 100 coins. When you perform 10 likes, you will get 200 additional coins, so on and so that. So okay, when the last video completed, you can see that it automatically moved to the next video and 5 coins are added in your balance. So how can we increase this coin earning? While the video is playing, click on this button, which is like video or comment or subscribe based on whatever appears. You click on the like button, or you click on the task, you complete the task the video requires from you. Close the pop-up and don't forget to verify the action. Wait for it. You see 100 coins added to your balance, and you can see the slider moves a little bit from here. So now we will wait for this video to complete, and you see over here 105 coins in your balance. Okay, I'm gonna come back in a few minutes so that my coin balance is a little bit up, so that I can show you how to use these coins on your own videos. See you in a minute. Okay guys, we are back from our waiting, and you can see that we have collected a few coins over here, 1645. So we can go ahead and do the actual views and subscription on our videos. So before we dive into it, let me add a few things that I forgot to tell you earlier. So as you can see, we have three kind of tasks here: subscribe a channel, like a video, and leave a comment. So subscribe a channel, as the name implies, you just open the pop-up and you click on the subscribe button and close the pop-up. And for the comment section, uh, it's the basically video requires you to add a 3-word comment. Your comment should have 3 words, but to what can I say? But to avoid being caught by the YouTube infringement program, you need to make your comment a little bit descriptive, like this video is very good, I like the video, you are doing a great effort, any kind of any comment on these patterns, so that it may look more human. So once you done that, you close the pop-up, and don't forget to click on the verify action button. So another thing is that in any video that has one or more of these tasks, you click on one task, complete it, then close the pop-up, and then click on the second task, the video will open again and you perform the action. And don't worry about the this slider. If the view time is very short, once you click on any of these tasks, the slider will go to the end and wait for you to verify your actions and then go to the next video. So don't worry about that. So we are done from here. So let me give you a tour on how you can apply these coins on your video. Go to my video section, and if you remember that we have already added a video over here. If not, you can still click on the import button and add the video over here. On the already added video in your queue, click on this action button and click on the edit. Once again, move the slider to 90 seconds, and I'm going to ask it for 50 views per hour. Okay, this section is basically, you should leave it at 0. What does this section tell the website? It basically, whatever number you put over here, all the views, all the website works will be stopped when you have reached the number of views set by this value. So you leave it 0 and it will go on forever, provided that you have enough coins to do the task. Okay, for this purpose it is asking me for 1200 coins. Okay, let me give you some let me show you something over here. After entering these data, I click on the finish, and the website gives me a warning. What is basically said here is basically that if you go only with the views and not the likes, not the comments, and not the subscription, the YouTube infringement program may catch you as a illegal activity. So your views may turn back from the YouTube, and they will not be counted towards your watch hours or your views count for the monetization. How to avoid that is basically to utilize all these 4 sections. Currently the subscription section is under maintenance on this website. It will be back shortly. So basically, since these tasks, they consume too much coins from you and you are not spending any money to earn the coins, so let's just put 1 like per week and cap it at 1. Okay, or you can cap it at 0. It gives you 1 like every week, depend on you how many you want. So for 1 like per week, it costs you 200 coins. So if you have enough coins, you can do whatever you like. And once again, 1 comment once per week, and it is cost its cost is basically 250 coins. So 1650 is the total amount that you are going to pay to this website in coins, so that it can continue working on your on your video. Once completed, click on the finish button, and it will give you the summary over here, and you click on OK. Okay, and now you can see that the work has been started. So in 1 hour, it will give you 50 views of 90 seconds each. So if you are going for monetization on the shorts in your YouTube channel, then you will be getting 50 views. And if you are going for long videos in your YouTube channel, you will be getting watch hours. So 90 seconds per video for 50 video, you do the math. So it basically adds to your watch hours, and these are legit watch hours. So keep earning those coins, and keep adding those videos in your task panel. Like I said earlier, the free version only allows 5 videos at a time on which the website can work. You can import 10 videos, but it can work simultaneously on 5 only. So I think this is all for that. And if you have any question, don't forget to don't hesitate to call, don't hesitate to reach back to me, and I will do my best to answer your questions. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And once again, the link to this website is in my description. you can click on that link and go to the website and register for your own channel promotion. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and good luck.